Craft Kids W. So the first step is eyeballs. All right, so we're gonna make our eyeballs. W has 4 eyeballs, so we're gonna make the 2 widest ones way out to the sides, okay? We're gonna do, on an angle, we're gonna do a square with rounded corners. Just like that. Doesn't have to be perfect, does it, Odin?
No.
No, at Craft Kids TV, we don't go for perfection, we go for
fun.
Fun. That's right. Want an eyelid on here?
Yeah.
Okay, like this. Good, now come over here, and we're gonna do, on an opposite angle of this one, we're gonna do one over here. So it's gonna be hanging out like this. Similar in size.
Check out how to draw a helicopter on Craft Kids TV. Link in the description below.
All right, cool. We've got our 2 outside eyeballs. Now we are going to do the W part. And we'll put the other eyes in last. Okay, so out of the top corner, we're gonna come up and go in about that far. Now on the other side, we're gonna do the same thing. So we're gonna go up out of the corner, and we're gonna come across to about right there. Just try to make them similar. You did really good. We're gonna scoop down or go down straight with a little tiny line. We wanna have an idea of where we want the top of our interior portion of our W to come to. So I'm gonna put a little dot there. And then I'm gonna curve this up like a J. And then when I get here, I'm gonna curve that top piece, and then I'm all the way down here, and I'm gonna curve it back into that part, okay? So that's the interior part of my W. Now, when you do yours, your W should probably come up about to here, okay? So down a little first. Yep. Your head, buddy. Here you go. Now this one's a little lower, but it looks cool because, like, I think, yes. Because you know what's cool about this is that the W's, they don't have to be the same, right? Because they move. They're like characters, they move. So this one's just moving. Okay, let's do the bottom part. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna imagine this is coming through, down. We're gonna come down just about like this far, and we're gonna start to curve it in, and we wanna meet, I'm gonna do another guide point. So we wanna meet right in the middle there. So I can do you one if you want. Up to the middle, and then we do the other side as well. Do you want me to help you? I would have yours come to that little dot right there. Nice job. Okay, now we're gonna do the other side the same way, okay? So we're gonna imagine this coming down through. So it's gonna come out here, and it's gonna come down, start to curl in, and it's gonna meet at that point there. Yep. Yes. All right, so now we have the 2 eyeballs in the middle to do. And this one, first one that we're gonna do is on a similar angle to this, and it's gonna plop itself right in here, okay? So, start here, down. Again, it doesn't have to be on the exact same angle, but it's just similar, okay? Good. Good, Odin. Oh, Odin's gonna put the eyelid in. All right, okay, good. One more eye to go. And this one goes in behind here. It's a little bit smaller. Come out. And that is also before we do the pupils, we're gonna put in these little eyelashes. W has one long one and then one shorter one on the outsides of each eyelash. So one there, and then one there, and lastly, one there, one there. can't forget about the mouths. W has 2 mouths. Ready? This one is going to be like in sort of triangle shape with very rounded corners. So I'll kind of try to show you that. Everything's really rounded. Okay. So that's one mouth. Nice. And then what you do is you make a black strip in the middle. It's almost like a missing tooth. Okay. And then on this other mouth is shaped a little different. So watch this. It's kind of flat along the bottom, and then it's kind of like teardropped and ovaled out that way. Nice. Now, on this one, we fill in everything on this side. And that is it for our Sharpie, my man, except for thickening, which we'll do in a minute. So the pupils are going to be done in this kind of maroonish color. And they are all the same in every eye. They're huge. They're huge, Odin. So I'll share this marker with you in 1 second. So this is how you do each eye. The rest of this will be fast forwarded, but we just wanted to show you how to do those pupils. So here we go, we're gonna fast forward. One, two, three. W. So, these are our lowercase W's from Alphabet Lore. We're almost all the way through the whole lowercase series. It's pretty exciting, isn't it, bud? Have you been having fun? Yeah. So we don't have that many more to go before we get through all the lowercase letters. You gonna show your face? If you'd like to draw along with more of the Alphabet Lore characters, we'll put a link in the description below for the playlist. And that'll also include the uppercase series. So, until we see you next time, keep drawing, stay awesome, bye! Yeah, good boy.